Hello, today I'll be teaching how to install Abéllha OS Lite. So, we first need this ISO of a Debian Live that indicates it's XFCE. I'll be using a VM and the actual Abéllha OS, but in the GitHub version. Take a look. Sorry, a look. So, I'll be creating the machine with the ISO I downloaded. Sorry for the keyboard sounds. Uh, Sorry, I was showing the Firefox all the time. So show what's going on in the VM. We are now in the boot menu and I'll click on the first option. It is recommended you use the live ISO for installing the Debian and then customizing it and changing it to Abéllha OS. Remember to get the correct version of Debian 5. So that's it. I'll press enter and wait. There it is. Now we booted in XFCE. And 2 GB. Okay, it is turned off. It boot. Really? I'll set this to 2. It's already using only 2 GB. It also seems like the installation took 11 and 5 gib. I don't know how. I know. I Yeah, gigabytes. I don't know how to speak this, but let's continue with the installation. We need to turn on the machine. Wait. Um, how do I? Wait. Oh, got it. So we're booting up in Debian. You might have noticed that it only has about 2 GB of RAM available to be used. And if you don't know, that's not that much. In consideration, it's recommended to have 16 GB of RAM to run Windows 11. Not even comparable, don't you think? Let's wait this button. Login in the user. So I'll be using my own tutorial to install Abéllha OS Lite. Why is it searching for Abéllha? That means this is our official page for Abéllha OS. This is the support side, and we're going to get this XFCE. You don't need to download it, as I am actually using it to make this tutorial. Meaning, I am using my own tutorial to make a tutorial. Debian. Starting the mouse page. That it is. You see, this is the tutorial. Just talk about OS. You can use it or this video. I'll get some files of my GitHub malware, I mean, and use them for setup. So I'll be searching it. Again, sorry for the keyboard typing sounds. Wait, what? I'll be cutting the video and play it again when I get their files. I'm back. I got the files from the GitHub and now I'm going to use this tutorial. First we do this command right here. To be exactly precise, you need to open terminal with Control Alt T and use the command that I told you must use. Put your password and let it do the work. While it does, you can do the rest. It won't take long, but it will take a while. Looks like I got some errors. That is because the time showing here is not the actual time. So I'll have to fix it before I use the commands. So I'll cut the video again. I'm back, and as you can see, the time is fixed. So I can run the command. Background image. Okay. Let's extract the zip. Why this? I could just here. There it is. Now it asks for a way to go to settings, but I think if we just click here, it will work, won't it? Yeah, it worked. So basically, you don't need to go to settings, setting manager, and a lot of boring things. Now I must go to settings again, but just seeing if those are installed. Yes, so I can go. Minimize the terminal. Settings manager. Oh, we're moving this thing colored panel, and we must remove panel 2. That is that dock-like thing. Unlock the panel. Yeah, and move it like that. Uh, to the bottom. Why is going? Lock the panel. Then we'll customize it. Just remember that this is the light version. That means it will be limited and won't have that transparent effect that GNOME version or normal version has. Hidden tabs. I remember how to do this. So I think I had to add um, Whisker minute. I wish this tutorial is not boring for you guys. Am I right? Menu app with a mouse. Maybe it's the Whisker menu. I think it was right. Because technically this is a mouse. Or is it? Wait, maybe I was talking about. Yeah, it was not there. Now, Whisker menu, but my tutorial was telling me to edit this because it has a mouse. Edit item. But I know that I must take this thing off or remove. I don't get this part, but I know what to do. Windows buttons setting. Here it is. So, and click it, show playing button. Let me, it's maybe this playing flat. It's a synonymous, as it says. They will show button captions. I don't see show button captions. Oh, it's labels. Okay, now close it and click to select panel 2 and the minus button. I already did this. Open settings, appearance, okay. I use why this thing is so appearance, and I must add with are is that like showing up at the video? Yeah, I hate light saying tip. So that is okay. Remove the Whisker menu. I already did. Disable show app description. So I actually need to put it here also. Disable show app. I think this is what the tutorial is talking about. Here is icon. Oh, I get it. Where is it? Icon. I'm in the wrong place. Where is icon? Basically, I'm going to change this icon to so we click in image files. Yeah, about this files. Icons and logos. I think it's an icons. Yeah, menu dot png. There it is. So active position profile at the bottom or synonymous in appearance. I think so. Yes. Let's see this. Looks like it's working. Search entry in the bottom. It says in the tutorial, search bar, which is search entry, which will make this cool looking Whisker menu. Now on behavior, turn on all applications or programs and close this. Ew, finally. Now for this to be really Abéllha OS not a mod Debian Ubuntu XFCE session. run this comment. Wait, hold up. There's something wrong with this span. I know. I think 36 enough. We must change the year. Maybe and the size of the icons. I think it's 32. Yeah. I think the space between the icons could be higher. This is strange. Where do I get it? Automatically. I could just I could just turn on the setting. It's not that important to be. What? Okay. So we close it and basically Ctrl plus Alt T in your keyboard, and you have to run this command right here. Basically, this command, where's the taskbar? What? Oh, there it is. Oh, I activated the function to make it hide. It wasn't supposed to be like it. Anyway, I don't have time to fix this now. You must delete everything that is here. This takes a while. And then copy all of this. Go to the terminal. Paste. Control plus O. Enter. Control plus X. So I don't need this. I recommend you to copy the test. Okay, I already. Basically, Nano is like a text editing app, but it is on the terminal. From their dog is barking. I don't know if this will work. I might get on a folder. The Fastfetch folder take Fastfetch. Oh, I just forgot mkdir is a folder creator. Uh, um, Wait a second. This command it basically creates a folder. A folder. It is it. Let's see if I can. Oh, finally. Wait. Where's mouse pads? It just okay. That's kinda strange. It's terminal again. Okay, hold up. The tutorial is right here. What? Oh, I realized what I did. Look, this is a comment, and this is a wait a minute. This is another. So basically, I tried to run part of the explanation on the terminal. I might need to install Fastfetch. Told you. To install Fastfetch, you must run sudo apt install Fastfetch. Put your password here. Continue. To continue, press yeah, Y, the letter. And to cancel, N. Because Y means yes and N no. Now I can run the command again. It worked, obviously. And on the fastfetcher folder, take the fastfetcher.txt and add in a file and do this command. This is strange. This is better. And okay, let's copy this comment, but it is asking us, if you didn't understand, to put this in this folder that basically is the home folder. I mean, of your user, where like you find documents, these things, download. What do you see here? Then I must run that command. Whoa, there seems to be something in there. And add this. Is it asking to it's asking to add, but there's I think there's something wrong. I'll do this anyway. If it goes wrong, I'll delete everything that is here. Wait, that's basically the same thing. So I must delete. And that's it. So let's exit. Say sorry if I'm talking it. How do I say? Let's continue. Okay. Wait a minute. User must change this. So instead of username, set up. Let's test it. It worked. It must appear this X. It is the logo of Abéllha OS. Okay, we're now adding the features. Was the good one. Abéllha Send and Receive. We already posted a video talking how to use them. It's a short. On the same account we are posting this. Paste. Oh, understood. Going on. Let's just paste it at the end. What's fine? I don't know. Not change anything else. Almost like say group custom image. To um so to say the truth, I don't carry too much to the GRUB image, but we should do it. So why is this happening? My tutorial says that if you think images of the images are ugly or strange, it is because they were made in GIMP. The cursor too. Yes, they were actually made in GIMP. You. 'Cause. 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 'C We might make a new cursor in next Abéllha OS update. Here. Must add this. Add if it is already has replaced to. Okay. But I don't know if the actual image is there. I probably didn't specify that I had. Looks like there's no GRUB image. Space this. Wait. Exit. I don't know what's going on. Like that. It's more like that, but I think there's no image in slash brute slash grub. So we must put it there. Let's see. Yeah, there's no image here. This doesn't affect path I'm placing here. Is it? Does it? Yes, it does. That's not the hard. Boot slash grub. Then put it. Yeah, I forgot that required root. So here, save it to that is the power manager. See, root. So let me. Oh, I open. That it is. I think this will work. CD to the icons, logos. Okay, I get what is. I know what to do, but it's just better if I just go to the logos and then open terminal here. Why is it? Is it supposed to be black? It's supposed to be yellow. Everything and logos. Yes, I'm right folder. Now open settings and see if we're working about. This is for GNOME. I don't know if XFCE shows up. Those information as I see it, we probably here. Yeah, the OS is here. Maybe about. Oh, it's about. See. Yeah, XFCE. This is for GNOME. Second logo part. I can set logos and CD size. So basically, we must do this. Wait. Let's see what's here. We might need to use super user, but let's see if it works. Yeah. Settings manager. Mouse. But this probably is the mouse on GVM. Aim and select your cursor. Basically, what he wants me to do is to go in this, see if the folder icon created and download and go here. Take this and put it here. Then we go back there. Okay. Then our cursor appears. It's kind of good. Yeah, when I was talking about the cursor being ugly, I think so. Look at this. Change the size at your preference. I like this. Icon theme. Default. You can basically you can set your own theme or download in the internet. I don't know. But Abéllha OS uses Yaro, so I'll download it. Skip. I'll cut the video. Okay, I got the themes and I'll set it to red dark. Don't work it. It's basically Yaro. If we stop here, basically we have Abéllha OS 1 installed. with the background of 2 and code name. And things like that. Again, wait a minute. I forgot to do this. How do I write it? No. We must take this and copy it. Paste all of this the end. Save it and use this command. Now shows welcome to the port. It greets me with good night. Late session, as you can see, it's 11:42 p.m. and my username. I made a mistake here, so I have to delete some. Delete to delete this one. Okay, it's coming. It's good, good. Just take. So basically, when I open terminal, it will greet me. Not change anything there. Like now, most complicated part. Not because it's hard to do, but because sometimes it doesn't work. In my old PC, it shows Abéllha OS instead of 2 logo. But anyway, I need to add it. So then, oh, wrong password. Done. Okay, cd replace quiet splash. It has quiet splash. This strange code. That strange code. I don't know what is. Please wait. Okay then, sudo update GRUB. I didn't change anything. Sudo apt seems. Okay, Plymouth is already installed, but we need this Plymouth teams. Well, I'll need to go this folder. Basically, do you guys like the newest GRUB icons? I feel like the older ones was better. Or comment below your opinion. Oh yes. While this downloads, I'll do that command. And also the optional command, just in case. Oh, I said the password. Okay, this time it will be right. I don't know why. Oh, I think I shouldn't be in this folder. Omitting directory. Yeah, it is this directory. And the optional one, just in case. Sudo if this comment it is done. So now okay. This video don't take too long. Literally, so it's like that. I'm clicking with the right button of the mouse, but I could just use Control plus C. Doesn't exist. That's not a mistake. Wait. It's not working. I really think I don't know. It's wrong. Maybe there's something wrong with the action. So is it just some? Wait a minute. I think. Wait. Um. Why? Okay. Let me try again. Omitting directory about strange thing is that it actually copy. Wait. I this one. This work? I don't think so. I'll open tonight to time. So let's do that manually. You should obviously. I'm not rude. I think that this will work. Okay. Finally, the next command. Okay. Should have out the. Let's run this command. Then should have show splash. Oh, pink. What's wrong? What's happening? Wait. If I use G, I'm afraid that Alt F4 or it closes the boxes program that is the program I'm using to make this VM, but I have no other choice. Oh, no, we didn't close the pause. Just go. Here. Oh, ready to fix what I. Okay. I made I made a mistake. I should have all this. Even show if the apply mounted, but yeah, it didn't work. So I'm using it. Auto. Let's make and the default theme. This is back. Didn't pass that much time. Let's wait now. I'll copy this command again. And paste it. Whoa, it worked. But to actually see if it appears to Abéllha OS to let's say I'll do the later. This 8 is done. So basically that's everything I must do. So let's actually start the video. Yeah, the loading animation appeared. When it's turning off, it doesn't show the logo. Then we start it. Ask to okay. Now it must appear. Push this for. Yes, it's working. Look. Here's about OS 2 and my old PC appears 1. I don't know why. So let's log in. So let's wait to log in. Yeah, look at this. It's working. So let's see if there's something else. The tutorial said it. Tutorial said it is okay. It appears now the second logo part. Eight. I don't know. Wait a minute, just a second. I think I already did this. Yes, I already did this. So it's basically solid. See. Okay, but before I end this video, Abéllha OS Lite is for old PCs or PCs that doesn't support modern operating systems like Windows or even other Linux distributions. I'd recommend you to install ZRAMs too. Sorry, so with so the apt install them tools. Let's put your password. Wait to install. let's clear the terminal for organization. So you must run this. Change the percent to 100 or sorry if I pause, but 150 or 100%. And in the case of this VM, I'll do this 200. Change the size to 2000 means 2 gigabytes. And this all go to LZ. The priority must be percent. So you do this. Then have basically more RAM for your old computer. It's more like a swap something. You can see it's using not that much of it, but when you use the browser, it will take a lot of RAM. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.